Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Harvard Institute of Research and Management. In this video, we are going to discuss about the FEP-MAT 2023 question paper. So already we have provided FEP-MAT 2023 question paper analysis, and let us provide the video link in the description box so that you can refer. And in this video, we are going to discuss data analysis which was asked in the FEP-MAT 2023 examination. Okay, so study the following information to answer the question. Now see here, for an examination in a language, school teaching 3 languages, German, French and Spanish. 280 students appeared. So in total, how many students are there? In total, 280 students are there. Okay, right? And when the results were declared, 185 students passed in German. So let us draw a Venn diagram. Okay, so this is a question based on Venn diagram. Okay, so 185 students passed in German. So just take it as German. And there are 3 languages, German, French and Spanish. So how many students passed in German? 185. See, while reading the question itself, we should start to solve because we should attend more number of questions. That is, nearly 160 questions in points, reasoning and verbal alone, we have to attend in 2 hours. That is 150 minutes approximately. Okay, other than that, we have general knowledge questions also. So while reading the question yourself, try to solve. Okay, and 210 students passed in French. 222 students passed in French, Spanish. All those except 5 students who passed in German passed in French. So let us take this area as A. Okay, and this area as B, and this area as B, and this area as D. Okay, see, this region which I am shading now represents the students who passed in German only. Okay, right? And this area, up to this whole area, it represents the students who passed in German as well as French. Okay, now they have given another line, all those except 5 students who passed in German passed in French. So, A plus E together is 180. Okay, so take this as equation 1. And next one, all those except 10 students who passed in German passed in Spanish. And E plus B together, it represents 200. Okay, take this as second equation. And 47 students failed in all the 3 languages. How many students failed in all the 3 languages? 47 students failed in all the 3 languages. Now, if I take D plus E, the value will be around 170. Take this as equation 2. Okay, now, if I take this German alone, okay, German, let us represent it as G inside. German alone, we represent it as G inside. German plus A plus E plus D. The value will be what? 185. Take this as 4th equation. And next one. If I take French plus A plus E plus D, the value will be as 220. Take this as 5th equation. If I take Spanish plus D plus E plus B is equal to 222. Take this as 6th equation. Okay, now 47 students, they said that they failed in all the 3 subjects, and in total there are 280 students. So if I add the students who are inside, German plus French plus Spanish plus A plus E plus B plus D, all the values will be equal to 280 minus 47, which is equal to 233. Take this as 7th equation. Okay, see, if I add equation 4, 5 and 6, I'll get German plus French plus Spanish plus 2 times of, right? So there are 2A, okay, plus 2E plus 2D and 2D. Okay, all the values will be equal to, if I add in the right hand side, I'll get 384. Take this as um, 8th equation. Okay, if I subtract equation 8 and 7, I'll get A plus B plus D plus 2E is equal to 384. And see, if you add it here, you'll get all the values which is equal to what? 614, 617. And A plus B plus D plus 2E will be equal to 384. Take this as 9th equation. Okay, if I add equation 1, 2 and 3, I'll get A plus B plus D plus 3E is equal to 5. That is 555. Take this as 10th equation. So equation 10 minus 9, if I subtract, I'll get E value as 170. See, if I know E value, remaining values I can find it out very easily. Okay, remaining values I can find it out very easily. And see, if E is equal to 171, what is A value? A will be equal to 180 minus 171, 90. Okay, and if E is equal to 171, what is B value? 29. Okay, B value is equal to 29, and similarly, D value will be equal to 4. So we have found the values of A, B, E, and D individually. Okay, right? See, now if I fill it up this column, what is the value of A? 9. And what is the value of B? 29. What is the value of D? 4. And value of E represents, E value is nothing but 171. And see, 210 minus 9 minus 171 minus 21. The value will be equal to 1. And here, that is the students who passed in French only is only one student. And similarly, 185 minus 9 minus 171 minus 4 will get value as 1. The students who passed in German is 1. And the students who passed in Spanish alone is 8. Okay. Now go to the question. How many students failed in German, French and German? The question is, how many students failed in French and German they are asking, right? In both. Okay. French and German. The number of students who failed. Okay. If we calculate, your answer will be around 65. Okay. The number of students who failed in French and German is around what? 65. Okay. Right? Now, if I go to the next question. How many students passed in Spanish only? Spanish only, if you see the diagram itself, it shows 18, right? So 18 students. Option A is your answer. Right? Now see the next question. How many students passed in all the 3 languages? All the 3 languages, what? 171 is the answer. That is the part which represents the center part. Okay, right? All the 3 languages, 171 is the answer. The number of students who passed in German but failed in other 2 languages. Who passed in German only, it denotes that students who passed in German only is 1. Okay, so option is D. D option 1. Okay. How many students got promoted if they have to pass at least 2 languages? So, the value is around 212. How many students got promoted if they have to pass at least 2 languages? So, write the Number of students who pass at least three languages. 171 plus 4, 175. 175 plus 9 is what? 184. 184 plus 20. 21. 204 and 204%. 2130 also. Okay. See, if you know to solve the given puzzle type question, if you know to solve how to the given data, it will be very, once you solve this, it will be very easy to answer the questions. I hope you all got some idea about how to solve data analysis part. All the best, students. The admissions for PGDM and International MBA at Fiber Institute of Research and Management is available. If you want to enroll for this course, we have provided the link in the description box. All the best, students. Hello, students. The admissions for 45 days online crash course for the upcoming MAT 2023 conducted by LearnSuite of Avenue is open now. The best course features are experienced faculties, well-designed syllabus, complete shortcuts. If you want to score 550 plus, then don't hesitate to join this 45 days online crash course to improve your score in the upcoming MAT exam. With that, because all the top colleges are expecting the score of 550 plus in the MAT examination. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.